Hello, 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 and good morning to everyone that's out there. It's Amanda coming to you with another live. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. And what I want to do is just take this time to say that the membership site is live, guys. The direct mail for your custom packages is all set to go. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Eric. And we are ready to do this. So I am here in Costa Rica. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. It's so nice out here. I've never been before. Hey Jade, hey Nicole. And I'm gonna just give you guys a quick tour of this place. It is amazing. We're here in Costa Rica. Costa Rica, guys. Yes, good morning. Good morning to everyone. This is where we're staying at. We're in Playa Concao. Okay, is the name of the place. And we're here for a week. And I'm here in pre-launch for my new site. I decided to treat myself and meet some of my online buddies out here. Yes, we are going to enjoy this week. This is our bathroom. And it is just absolutely amazing. Costa Rica. Playa Concao. If you ever want to come visit, this is where we're staying. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. We had a visit this morning. Look at our little visitor. Really nice. Okay, so I just want to talk about the membership site real quick. We are in pre-launch. There'll be a discounted rate for the packages. In your customized packages, you're going to get the 100K cover letter that's going to be customized to your business, along with 100 to 200 flyers. You're going to also receive business cards. You're going to get drop cards. You're going to get the blueprint along with the calendar. Okay, guys, and then we're going to have webinars, live webinars, over-the-shoulder training for traffic, multiple streams of income. We also already started, and we're going to just keep rolling in. Yes, so I'm really excited. I put together a branding training, attraction marketing training. We have email training coming along with email swipes. Websites for free, customized to your postcard or direct mail business. Yes, free websites. You can get a customized website. We have 3 different options of sales pages that you can choose from. Yes, I'm going to show you guys webinars and how to create webinars, or you can actually purchase one that you can use over and over and over again. Webinars, guys, are very powerful. I've been using them since like 2017, and that has helped me to earn 6 figures online. I tell people all the time, if you're not ready to do them yourself, you can actually have one made for you that you can use over and over again. So we have a lot of great things coming up. I'm extremely excited about this year and what's to come. I'm looking to see a lot of people have success, whether they're with my team or with another team, be able to use this membership site to get their direct mail business off the ground, to get their postcard business off the ground. And it's really exciting times. So I want people to really take a look. I'm going to put the link in the description area if you want to take a look. Guys, look at this. Yes. If you guys want to take a look, you'll be able to do so. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can just look around and see what's there. But I put 3 months into creating this membership site, thousands of dollars. What it's going to do basically is shorten up the amount of time it takes you to succeed with direct mail. Really give you the basics and the tools, along with 3 strategies you can choose from. There's going to be many of strategies, but you're going to pick 3, stick with them consistently, and as a team, we're going to implement these strategies over and over and over again. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did when I first got started in a direct mail business to start creating 100,000 a year, 200,000 a year, 300,000 a year. And it's really simple. If you just follow directions, you don't have to be on camera. You don't have to do Facebook Lives. I tell people all the time, I did not start out that way. All you have to do is just be consistent with at least 3 different marketing strategies that you're going to use over and over and over again to have that snowball effect. That's what it's really all about. So I look forward to working with as many people as possible. Amanda, coming to you from Costa Rica. I'm here, guys. I'm going to be still working. Hey, Auntie Robin. And yeah, hey, Elon. So yeah, we're going to keep growing. We're going to keep moving forward. I'm just really excited about this. This is a product that I created. I wanted it to be evergreen. As long as we have postcard programs, direct mail opportunities, this training will last a lifetime. You'll be able to apply it with any business and really understand what it is that you are missing that's not allowing you to grow your business. So if you want to really take your business to the next level, you definitely have to check out the site, get started, and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be back with you guys sometime like between Monday and Wednesday. But thanks for tuning in. Hey, Janice. Hey, Eric. Hey, Elon. Hey, Mona. Good morning, Javada. Hey, Savella. Have a great day, guys.